Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing this eyeshadow look that you see right here. I really love it. Like, I had this vision of what I wanted to do and it came out perfectly. Like, I love that I use like a transition shade for like my lid color and like not my outer corner. Like, that's fun. I really like it. If you guys want to see how I created this look, feel free to keep on watching and I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay guys, I'm going to get started. I have a vision of what I want to do, but I'm gonna see if it translates on camera or like on my eyes because I've never done this before and it just hit me. I was just like, I want to do this. So let's get started. I'm using my 35B and my Jodlc Morphe palette, so be ready. I also have music playing in the background. Sorry. Okay, first I am going in with my, also I have my face on, so sorry. I am going in with my 35B palette. I am going to be taking this shade on a big fat fluffy brush, but only a little bit. I'm just taking a wash of that color on my eyelid. On that same brush, I'm going into the shade from the Jodlc X Morphe palette. This is the shade Jada. What I'm doing is just packing that color in and then sweeping it into the crease. I'm really going to build up that color. I'm just going to be taking Shape Tape on a flat brush and carving out my eyelid again. I'm just taking a big fluffy brush and kind of blending those together. Next, from the Jodlc palette, I'm going to take the shade Buns, and I'm just going to press that where I put that concealer down. I'm going to be going into my Morphe 35B palette and taking this shade right here and just sort of deepening up the outer V. Next, I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild waterproof eyeliner and putting on Wing. I'm just going to be taking that Jada shade from the Jodlc palette and sweeping it underneath my eye. I'm just going to be taking the shade Beam and putting it on my brow bone and inner corner for a highlight. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Yeah, if you guys like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, whatever you want to do. And that's all for me. Catch you later.